Hey guys, welcome back to the Blessed Performance YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk water methanol. So right here we have our Snow Stage 2 Performance Kit. We like to run the Stage 2 or the Stage 3. They have a Stage 1, it's right around $400 or $500, okay? The general difference is the size of the tank, the size of the kit that comes with, and then also the biggest thing is the controller. This controller right here for the Stage 2 runs solely off boost. There's a couple different ways you can hook this up. We like to run it off boost right here. And what you can do is you can go in here and you can tell it to start coming on at 10 PSI boost, and then full bore spraying as much as it can at 20. You can kind of play with your chuck and figure out the best spot for that, okay? Now, Snow Performance is owned by Nitrous Express. You can find all their kits on our website. If you need directions to install the kit, you can find them, we have links on our website, or you can give us a call and we can email you the directions, or you can find them on Nitrous Oxide's website as well. The kits will come with, depending on which one you order, which when we ordered this one, this is the only one that was in stock. It's the red nylon gauge. They also have a stainless steel version of this tube. So a flexible stainless steel hose that you can purchase with it. You'll have various bags in the box, controllers. This is the controller, your nozzles, your switch in here, all your bolts, hardware, fittings, everything. And then of course, last but not least, your nozzles. There's 3 nozzles that come in the Stage 2 kit, okay? The Stage 2 kit comes with a 4, a 6, and a 10, I want to say. We've noticed on the 6.0 Power Strokes running that 600 horsepower-ish range, right in there, 550 to 700, let's call it. The 6 is spot on, perfect for cooling EGTs. For instance, King Twins, gosh, several, Loki, which was Adam's build. We call one called Jon Snow, which is a couple years ago. That was the first one we ever actually put water methanol on, was 2-3 years ago now. And we tested it on a couple different configurations, and every single configuration of horsepower that we set it up with, anything from 500 to 700 horsepower, we saw generally a 200-degree average, sometimes 300 degrees. Some setups about 300-degree drops in EGTs, but the lowest I think we saw was a 200. Now this Snow 2 kit comes with a 7-gallon tank. Generally we'll mount this right up in the corner of the bed, make it easy to get to. Your plumbing will go right there. Part of this kit does come with a level sensor. Never used it personally because I just keep it full. I keep some water methanol with me in the truck at all times. What that is windshield washer fluid. We like to use the blue windshield washer fluid. Here at Blessed Performance, we keep this on our shelves consistently. Not just good for cleaning windows. This is the -20 version. It's a 50-50 water methanol, which is perfect. You can run a little bit higher concentration. I think Banks and Snow make their own boost conditioner. This is $1.98 and you can get it anywhere in the country, which is awesome. 7 gallons here. I know that I have seen, and personally I've gotten about 500 miles to a 7-gallon tank towing a 40-foot camper, right around 15,000 pounds on a 6.0. So we got about 500 miles. We did an 8-hour trip south to Seminole Lake from here in Wyoming, and I was able to use about a full tank. It was just right at the bottom when we got there. So I didn't have any left that I could get to, obviously, because the fill line's below here. They do that so if any sediment gets in here, you can't suck it up and can't get it into the system. Whoops. If you're working the dog piss out of your truck, you're gonna see more usage. Generally, I saw, if I wasn't working the truck, about 2 mile per gallon gain with this, which is awesome. When I was towing, about 1 mile per gallon gain, which is awesome as well. These kits can be ran on trucks from any year, make, model, it doesn't matter. Cooler air, cleaner air, you're gonna see less smoke, you're gonna see more power, cooler EGTs. It's a win-win all the way around. We highly recommend water methanol. It's a great, great upgrade to any diesel pickup of any year, any make, any model. Doesn't matter whether it's stock or built. You're going to see benefits from this kit, okay? This could be the first modification you do. It could be the 20th modification you do. Either way, you're going to see benefits from installing water methanol. The only differences really between the kits are the size of the tanks, the size of the controller, or cooler tank, and then of course, like I was saying, the controller itself. Now we have a Stage 2 kit here. There's a Stage 3 kit as well. And it comes with this fancy little thing like this, and you can hook up an EGT probe and you can run it based on EGTs. Really, if you know your truck and you pay attention to your truck, you'll know when you're gonna need the water methanol based on boost as well. So that's what we've always set it up as, okay? Monitor EGTs with an EGT probe that you already have, you see what boost you start to build some EGTs at, you have it come on, watch the EGTs drop, build more boost, EGTs stay the same. So once again, give us a call, 1-800-577-2698. Check us out on blessedperformance.com. Like, subscribe, follow, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. We will be posting videos showing how this stuff works on King Twins, Blue Jeans, and Frostbite. So definitely highly recommend some water methanol for your truck.